How to reset Razer Barracuda X Razer Barracuda here on your account if it's not working, not pairing, how you can simply solve it. So follow the steps I'm showing you in this video. Step 1 will be simply power cycle the devices. It means that you have to turn off your headset, like you can read the Barracuda or ear that is mentioned. So step 1 is power cycle the device. Turn off the headset, unplug the USB-C dongle from PC console and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, plug the dongle back in the power on the headset here, and step 2 will be repair the headset with dongle. Plug in the USB-C dongle to your device. If you're using an adapter USB-C to USB-A, make sure it's a data capable adapter, not just for charging. Press and hold the pairing button on the dongle, usually a small pinhole button. Use a paper clip. The LED on the dongle will start blinking. Now, press and hold the power button on the headset for about 5 seconds until you hear a tone or see the LED light blinking. Now, wait for both devices to sync. Once paired, the LED should turn solid. Step 3 is check connection mode. Make sure you're not accidentally using Bluetooth mode on the new Barracuda X models when trying to 2.4 GHz dongle connection. Tap or press the mode switch button to use it to toggle button between Bluetooth and the wireless. Set as default audio device. Go to PC second, then sound. Under the output, select Razer Barracuda wireless, and under input, select the microphone from the headset if needed. Update the firmware. Download the Razer Synapse or Synapse Windows or Razer Audio app for mobile. This is how you can simply do this thing. The last step will be factory reset if it's still not working. While there is no dedicated factory reset button, doing this can act as soft reset. Power off the headset, hold the power button for 20 or 50 seconds until the LED rapidly blinks, then shut off. Let go the power back on. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching it.